Tarkett's Transcend luxury vinyl tile flooring is a beautiful, hard-wearing solution that delivers on the promise of floating floors by actually floating. Transcend tiles and planks are backed with a unique sculpted wave system that grips the subfloor. Maximum stability, ultimate design flexibility. Adhesive is pre-applied only on the raised surface of the wave pattern, leaving channels free to breathe and absorb sound. Our innovative new SureSet technology allows Transcend flooring to float with a waterproof surface, stability underfoot, minimal adhesive, and the ability to quickly remove or reposition with ease. No curling, gapping, shrinking, or shifting. Once installed, floors are ready for immediate occupancy. Transcend LVT is perfect for high-traffic areas, including boutiques, restaurants, small offices, and light commercial interiors. Herringbone, parquet, ashlar, virtually endless design possibilities, complemented by coordinated finishing accessories. Transcend with SureSet technology, floating floors that create spaces as healthy and easy to install as they are beautiful.